Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from Dare to Be Creative, and I am here with a haul. I forgot to show this a couple weeks ago. This came from the Dollar Tree. I just thought it was so cute. I got two of them, and the coffee and everything I just thought was like super cute. And then of course, you know, I have to go to that place. We know what that place is called. Tuesday morning, but before I show you Tuesday morning, oops, I'm dropping stuff. What did I get from Michael's? Oh, I picked up some of this cute little washi, and it says busy but cute. You got the heels and the glasses and the nail polish on it. I just thought it was so super girly. And then they had this one on clearance, I think like $3 and some change. So I got that stamp set. And then from TM, let me get this out of the way. I ended up getting this Graphic 45. I have the Parisian collection, so I like the lady. I'm into all the girls that the Graphic 45 has. And this $4.99 and this $197.0897. So a little different type of a haul. I didn't have this punch, so I got this one for $4.99, and it's $1967956, and this is the Fiskars, and this was one of the intricate punches, and this one is named Petals on Point. So you can make some flowers and some different shapes out of that, and you can layer those to make different things out of them, and that's the example right there. I was really pleased to find this, the quilting tool set, 2-piece for $2.49, and it is $1957412. I thought it'd be cool to try for $2.50 versus the regular price. And they already had like 4 different styles. No, it was 3 different styles, but it was like 4 or 5 boxes of the quilting strips. They had some metallic ones. This is the matte finish, and like I said, yeah, it was metallic, blue, and some other colors. But I got this one because it was 2 different colors. I just thought it might be different, give you some variety. Plus, green is more natural for a flower. But, you know, for me to just to try it out. But anyway, this was $2.99, and the number is 1957425. It's 3 and 8 by 12. It's a 250. I think the metallic ones are only 200 strips. So if you're into quilling, like I said, I've never tried it. But I will. I do have like 1 or 2 border strips that you can quill, but I didn't have a quilling tool. So hopefully I'll be able to try that. I did pick up this Amy Tangerine sticker set for $1.99. Sorry about that glare. There you go. And the number on that, if you're interested, is 1964123. I picked up this Delusion, and this is the one of their journal blocks. You can use this for stamps, but it's also edged right here, so you can also rip your paper, because I've seen them do that, and then or trace it to make journals this way. Delusions does that a lot, so you can also do that as well. It's $3.99, and it is 1967902. I really picked this up for my sister because, you know, she's in art school, so I thought it'd be a cute gift for her, but this is a 9x5. Okay, so I decided to go ahead and try the house mouse thing. She was there putting out some stuff when I was there. So I said, since I took the other ones I had got back before, because I realized you're supposed to keep the sticky stuff on them. But these actually came out cheaper, so I'm glad I did get them back. This was $1.99. It is small, but these have been $2.99 this size. But this one's $1.99, and it is 1974747. And this is Muzzy and Mocha. I don't know how y'all tell them apart. I know somebody, I heard Gracie said one of them got a clip on the ear and something else, but Gracie, I'm not there yet. If I can figure them out. But this one was only $2.99, because I think the last time when I got them, it was like $3.99 or something this big. So I was really surprised it was $2.99, which was nice. But this doesn't have a name on it. But this one is 1974823. So that was a couple of those they put out. They had the different sequence packs, and I got these that were 99 cents, so you couldn't beat that. And then, let me see, they're all the same number. Nope, they got different numbers. So the color combination, which was different. So, you know, I don't have any black And this is kind of like a champagne color, whatever. So I figure I get 2 of those. And the number on that's black and gray. I said champagne, gray. It is 1966192, and these are by Studio Calico. Excuse me, the 2 oranges. Orange and yellow. That's the 2 oranges. That's clearly yellow. That number is 1966190. So they do have different numbers. That's 0, and this one ends in 2. So I was wondering if they had any other colors. These are the only ones I saw out of the stores I went to. I didn't go to all of them. I just went to a couple Tuesday mornings. They also had the Heidi Swap. And this was, I think I got these on Monday. No. Yes, Monday of this week. Because I was off work that day. So these are the wood veneers, and they're different ones. This one says memory, and for $1.99, and it's 1964109. The words in here are today, memory, noted, and hello. This one is called dream, same price, 1964110. And the words in this one are happy, imagine, dream, and create. Just thought it would be nice to really have those in wood. This is the pink paisley, sweet freedom. I don't even know how, this was just happened to be being put out when I was there. $1.49, and it is 1967140. It's 40-piece ephemera set. And I thought it kind of tied in because I like the fact that it had the United States on it. Because I had the United States punch, and then I got the United States die and everything. So I thought that would go along with it too, in case I need to make some additional stuff with it. So those are the items that go along in that ephemera set. And I think I passed up on this the last time. Then I ended up going back and getting it this time. $6.99. I'm still debating on it. But this is the Die Step Journey Artsy for $6.99. And it is 1972026. It's 15 pieces. Excuse me, stamps and the dies. So you can stamp, cut, and stamp and cut. I think I have this. I have to double check. This is Love You and Thank You. I can't remember if I got this one or if I got, it was another sentiment that I got from Hobby Lobby when Hobby Lobby was having a clearance. So I'm going to double check. That's 1972021. Wait a minute. Oh, that's 25 on this one. 26. Okay, I could say the same number. This one, this is the IT kits. So this is 18 metal dies for $4.99. And, you know, this one is called Tape. And tape, it says IY kit, supposed to be IT kit. The number is 1976661. These are the dies. Now, if you read the back, they actually even give you some digital files, but since they're out of business, I think somebody told me they went online to try to get these and they didn't work. But for $4.99, you still got all of those. So let's just dig in and take a little quick pick. I got one of these sets before, which actually I didn't do a video, but I did cut out a whole bunch of stuff with the last one with the dies. I got to see how different these are. And these do come in pouches. So some of these look similar, a little different. The other ones I got was, let me see. Oh, they're a little different. They're like the page tags and stuff like that. So these are a little different. Similar but different, like style. Because you can use these for your tabs if you wanted to. So the one I had, the tab kit, was the one I had for $4.99. But these, you can also use these for labels. It says tape. Okay. So, but it does have in here the bonus digital edge cutting files. So SVG and DFX. DXF. Can I read? So anyway, I don't know. I'm going to go online and see if it still works. I don't know. But that's what they would look like. But that was a good deal. 18 pieces. Nice deal. $4.99. And I only went to 3 Tuesday mornings and I only saw this in 1. Just like the last time when I got my other one. It is the same store that I got the other IT one from. I only saw it in 1. They did have this. This is one of those Stitch. It's by Basil. It's a nice thick foam. And I do have the Stitch Rich Read by We Are Memory Keepers, but this is a longer, thicker one. I have a small, thinner one, but this also comes in handy when you're doing your flowers. So for $1.99, I figure I'd get it because you can use it for multiple things when you need to make your impression. So It's a piercing mat, but you can also use it, to me, to use your flowers on it. I don't know what size it is, but it's at least like a 12 by 6. And the number on this one is 1964038. So even if it's just for the piercing, this is a lot thicker than the one I have by We Are Memory Keepers. The We Are Memory Keepers one is probably half or a quarter of this. So, and then my tooling mat, not my tooling mat, but the mat that I use for making the flowers, I don't think was this thick. So, for that price, it was a good deal. The last thing I got was a couple height swaps. 5x7s, and this one is called Tribal. And I love that print. And that's how that looks. Like I said, this is a 5x7. And they have different numbers. 1976665. And then the last one is Happiness is Free. So that's how that one looks. And that's how that one looks. So that is the end of my haul. I went to 3 of the stores this week. But anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.